These girls and women are learning basic sewing skills at Pilar Outreach Foundation in Ismailpur, a small town in Haryana, India. Urmila Devi is the sewing instructor. She teaches tailoring to 30 young women who travel daily from remote villages to the tailoring center.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम उर्मिला देवी है। मैं यहाँ एनजीओ में सिलाई सिखाती हूँ। मुझे यहाँ सिलाई सिखाते हुए लगभग 1.5 साल हो गए हैं। मेरा अब तक का अच्छा अनुभव रहा है। मैंने जितने भी बच्चों को या महिलाओं को कोर्स सिलाई सिखाई है, अब तक वो अपने परिवारों की सहायता अच्छी तरीके से कर ले रही हैं।
The empowerment of these underprivileged girls and women has been carried out by the Pilar fathers and brothers working in North India since 1961.
The purpose of this tailoring center is to teach these young girls from the village to make them self-reliant so that they get a self-esteem in displaying their artistic talent through tailoring.
Empowering women and girls is the key to social transformation. The economic empowerment is fundamental to strengthening women's rights and enabling them to exert influence in society.
मैं पढ़ाई करती थी तो फिर वहाँ के लोगों ने मुझे बताया कि यहाँ सिलाई सिखाई जाती है, तो मैं यहाँ सिलाई सीखने आती हूँ।
A way to economic empowerment is by providing access to skill development for women.
यहाँ पे मैंने सलवार और नई डिजाइन की पेटीकोट, ब्लाउज और गाउन, और यहाँ पे सीखने के बाद मैं घर पे जाके लोगों को सिखाती हूँ। इसलिए मैं यहाँ से सूट सलवार ये सीख के आई हूँ।
Exposure to technical skills and knowledge will improve employability and enhance livelihood opportunities.
मैं टेलरिंग को खत्म करने के बाद फैशन डिज़ाइन कोर्स करना चाहती हूँ, जिसमें मैं नए नए डिज़ाइन के ब्लाउज, गाउन, फ्रॉक और पैंट वगैरह बनाऊंगी और भी लोगों को सिखाऊंगी।
Father Agnello Tailoring Center at Sirsa and Mother Teresa Tailoring Center at Hisar are the other two tailoring centers in Haryana. The Holy Family Sisters have been collaborating with the Pilar fathers and brothers in their mission of empowering girls and women.
We have been working in the mission of Haryana since 1994 in collaboration with the Pilar fathers. Father Agnello Tailoring Center, Sirsa, Haryana provides free tailoring course for the women. It's a challenge to motivate these women to join the course. However, after completion, they are filled with joy and confidence to begin a livelihood for them and their families.
The need to empower women is reiterated every year on the occasion of International Women's Day. Women in leadership, achieving an equal future in a COVID-19 world is the theme for this year's International Women's Day. The theme celebrates the tremendous efforts by women and girls around the world in shaping a more equal future and recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic.
I'm Dr. Ira Almeida, a pediatrician. I work at a government hospital. I'd like to share my experience of when I was entrusted with the job of starting a COVID hospital at the start of the pandemic. So at that time, I was in a leadership role, being part of the core committee, as well as having to build a team that was to manage the COVID crisis. Women can play leadership roles with we don't see any discrimination here in Goa particularly. All in all, women can play a very good and can lead the way in all places, and we have been doing this also during this time.
If you don't include women's stories in your narratives, you are excluding the perspective of half the world. Let's make 2021 count for girls and women everywhere. Celebrate women's achievement, raise awareness against bias, take action for equality.